mom and dad. How are you? And how about Cheonji and Dongyi? I believe you guys are doing well. Here, Hwangaparawa School is very big and origined very well. And friends and teachers are very kind to me. Also, homestay mom is very friendly to me. I miss you so much, but I like here. But we will meet Korea uh, after a week. I love you. 끝!
새해 복 많이 받으세요 같은 거 안 해?
저 다리 몸 전체로 찍으면 안 돼요?
몸소리 지금?
새해 복 많이 받으세요. I skipped too much in Hwangaparawa College. School teachers didn't care me and I was angry because I participated in chemistry class, but homeroom teacher checked. I was absent in chemistry class, even music class too. Korea students are very kind and active. Charlie and Tony were good to me, but sometimes they very bad. At the beginning, I thought my homestay was terrible, but I adjust here now. Last week, I went to Huapai Kelly's home. She was so cool and kind, so I didn't want to come back to my homestay. Utora Camp and Waiverapu was great. I think New Zealand school is better than Korea, but every students and teachers didn't care me, so I don't know need for school life. I smile every day in homestay, but I'm tired while in the school. I think everything is good except school.